In a big development, India and Indonesia are finalizing a framework agreement, which could pave the way for surface-to-surface missiles, air defense systems, and sharing of submarine manufacturing technologies. The US Supreme Court has cleared the extradition of 2008 Mumbai terror attack accused Pakistani origin Tahawwur Rana to India. Chinese Navy has commissioned its first Type-54B frigate, which is stealthier, larger and more capable than the Type-54A. The Southwestern Command of the Indian Army conducted firing of Akash surface-to-air missiles. The floating dry dock of Mazagon Docks shipbuilders near Mumbai will be operational by end of 2025. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh has flagged off the indigenous Sanjay Battlefield Surveillance System developed by Bharat Electronics Limited. The DRDO has tested its ADC-150 Air Droppable Container from Indian Navy's P-8I aircraft that can deliver 150 kilograms critical stores and emergency supplies at sea during combat operations. The Black Charger Eagles of the Army's Southwestern Command undertook an extraordinary 24-hour continuous engine-changing exercise, involving tanks and BMP-2 under adverse weather conditions. A delegation from Pakistan's Inter-Services Intelligence has arrived in Bangladesh, marking one of the first high-level engagements in decades. Solar Industries has committed to a substantial investment of 12,700 crore rupees to establish a major defense project in Nagpur that will cater to new-generation loitering munitions, counter-drone systems and next-generation explosives. Experts have said that the J-35A and Khan fighter programs highlight the ambitions of China and Turkey, but their current developmental status poses no immediate threat to India. Instead of reacting to these potential acquisitions, the Indian Air Force can still dominate the region's airspace by focusing on a combination of 4.5 generation upgrades and the seamless induction of the AMCA. Foreign acquisitions like the F-35A or Su-57 are tempting on paper, but it would not serve India's unique requirements effectively. The AMCA is uniquely suited to India's needs, and will also support the domestic defense ecosystem, create jobs and foster technological innovation. Russia will remove its MiG-35 from the MRFA competition, as it faces challenges with limited production rates and a lack of robust orders from the Russian Air Force, and also faces stiff competition from other jets in the MRFA tender, which have more established production line, service records and support ecosystems. The potential withdrawal of the MiG-35 from consideration will streamline the selection process for the Indian Air Force, as the focus will now be on platforms with more proven track records in production and operational use. India and Indonesia are finalizing the sale of Brahmos missile system worth $450 million, and this deal represents a significant milestone not only due to its scale, but also because it includes a transfer of technology provision, marking a first for the Brahmos missile system. The transfer of technology will allow Indonesia to manufacture certain components of the Brahmos system locally in the near future. The Indian Air Force is all set to place an order for 300 units of the Gaurav long-range glide bomb that is engineered to carry conventional warheads, and will give the capability to effectively neutralize critical enemy infrastructure like bunkers, airfields and hard installations. After the limited series production of 300 units, the order size is expected to increase to 1,000 units. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.